Hello.
Oh, hello, honey. How are you, Duke?
I'm so happy.
You're so happy. Why are you so happy, Duke? Why are you
I
very
have
happy?
I happy because I went to school.
Okay, you went to school. What did you do at school today?
I
Did you play at
mm,
school?
yes.
Okay, I see. So you had fun. You played football today?
Yes.
Yes, you played football today. I know that because you love football, right? Okay,
Yes.
anyway, Duke, we are now going to have our new lesson, honey. We are now going to have our new lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Okay, teacher is now going to share the screen, honey. Wait for a while. Okay, after this one, honey, we're going to have the test, okay? After this one,
Yes.
we are going to have our test.
There is a window in the bedroom.
Yes, you still remember this one? Okay. Can you recall the words, honey? Please say, wait. Please recall and say the words that you have learned last night.
Hãy nhớ lại và nói những từ mà bạn đã học tối qua.
What are those? Four.
One. Uh,
You remember? You forgot? The window?
one is rock. Rock.
Rug.
Window. Door. eh, mm, Door. Window. Rock.
And you
And
forgot. You forgot, honey. Okay. Let's
no.
have here window, rug, and
Clock.
clock. Okay. Now let's move forward again to here, honey. Let's have now this one. There is.
There is a yellow door in the bathroom.
Very good. This one.
There is a green rock in the bedroom.
Very good. Next one.
There is a there is a clock in the living room.
In the living room. Next.
There is a window in the kitchen.
Very good. Okay, now here are the words that you've learned last night, honey. What are these words?
For today, let's have the vocabularies I learned about are a rock, a clock, a door, and a window.
Very good. Okay, how about for the structure? What are the
For
structure that
today,
you learned?
for today lesson, the structure I learned about is there is a clock in the living room.
Okay. All right, honey. Since we are already done with this one, are you ready for the test, Duke?
Yes, in the board,
Okay. Yes. Okay, let's
the
have the test.
board, is a board.
You want the whiteboard?
Yes,
You want spelling? You want spelling?
yes.
Okay. Wait. Let me get your books first, okay? Because I will get some words there from your books that you're going to spell. Okay, wait for a while. Unit number 3. And then after this, we're going to have the test, okay? Unit 3 test. Unit 3.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Can you see teacher's screen now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, I want you to spell. Hold on, honey. Wait. It's still loading. I want you to spell the word, why is it so? Bedroom. Bedroom. Okay, I will give you a candy. Okay, next one. Please spell the word mirror. 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 Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Okay. Teacher's going to give you a juice. Okay, this is your juice, Duke. Okay, next, spell the word kitchen. Okay, I will give you a hamburger. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, next, spell the word sofa. Sofa. Okay, I will give you your French fries. Okay, next one. Spell the word clock. Clock. Clock, clock, clock. Okay, very good. This one is the clock. Great job, honey. Okay, so that is it, honey. Let's have now our test. The unit number 3 test. Okay, can you see teacher's screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's write your name here. Let's just have this. Okay, let's have the listening part, honey. Let's have the part 1. So for the part 1, honey, you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4 points here. You ready?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Okay, so teacher's now going to have the audio for part 1. Okay, listen carefully.
Yes.
Unit 3 Test, Part 1. Listen and number the pictures. There is one example. 0.
What's in the living room?
There's a mirror in the living room.
Can you see number 0? Now you listen and number the pictures. 1.
What's in the living room?
There is a TV in the living room.
Okay, where is number 1?
It's
Very
a TV.
good. Yes.
2,
What's in the bedroom?
A clock.
A clock?
Yes, there is a clock in the bedroom.
Okay, for number 2.
It's equal clock.
Very good. Correct. 2 points already. Let's have number 3.
3,
Is a table in the kitchen?
Yes, there is a table in the kitchen.
Very good. Next.
4,
Is the rug under the table in the kitchen?
Yes, there is a rug under the table in the kitchen.
Okay, so you got 4 over 4
Now,
for this
listen
part,
again.
honey. Okay, you've got perfect score for this one. 4 over 4. Great job, my dear Duck. Now let's have part 2. Let's go on now to the part 2. You have to put a tick.
Yes.
Unit
tick,
3
tick, tick.
test, Part 2. Listen and put a tick or a cross in the box. There is one example.
Where is your father? Is he in the living room?
Yes, he is.
Okay.
Can you see the tick?
This is the example.
Now you listen and number the pictures.
1.
5,
Is
5.
your mother in the kitchen?
No, she isn't.
Very good.
6,
Is your brother in the bathroom?
Yes, he is. He is in the bathroom.
Very good.
7,
Is your grandmother in the bedroom?
No, she isn't. She is in the kitchen.
Very good, honey. So for this one, you got 3 over 3. Such a perfect score, my dear Duck. Now let's move forward to the part 3.
Unit 3 test, Part 3. Listen and draw lines. There is one example.
Where's the armchair?
It's next to the bed.
Next to the bed?
Yes, the armchair is next to the bed.
Can you see the line? Now you listen and draw lines.
Okay, the armchair is next to the bed. That is it, honey. Okay, ready? Let's have the first one.
Yes.
Okay.
8,
Where's the TV?
It's on the desk.
On the desk?
Yes, the TV is on the desk.
Very good. Okay, great job. Next.
9,
Where's the school bag?
It's under the bed.
Under the bed?
Yes, the school bag is under the bed.
Honey, under. Under the bed. Okay,
it's
very
here.
good. Next.
10,
Where's the rubber?
It's in the bookcase.
In the bookcase?
Yes, the rubber is in the bookcase.
Very good.
Now, listen again.
Okay, so for this one, honey, you got...
The lamp. The lamp.
No, it's okay, honey. We only got 1, 2, 3 questions. Only 3 questions. So you got 3 over 3 score for the points for this one, okay? 3 over 3. Well, that's okay now, honey. Now, We are done already with the listening test. We are now going to move forward to the reading test, part 1. Okay? Now you're going to read, honey. You have to read carefully and put a tick
Yes.
inside the yes or no box. For number
Is
1,
the chair next to the table? So my grandfather is in the bathroom. No.
very good. 2/2 for this one, honey. Oh, I think we're going to finish this one so fast. Okay, let's have part 2. You have to look, read, and match. Number 1.
What on the table? The TV. Where's your mother? In. Here.
Okay, all right, let's have number 3. What's on the table? The TV is on.
The TV is on the table.
Very good. 4.
It's
Where?
in.
Yes.
It's in.
It should be is. Honey, it should be is. Okay.
Goodbye, Mom.
Okay. 4. Where's your mother? Where's
In
your
the living
mother?
room.
Okay. Is the rubber on the desk?
Yes, it is.
Okay, great job. Okay, now let's have the part 3, honey. Let's go to the part 3. Okay, this. Part 3. Okay, you have to look, read, and then circle the correct answer. For number 1, it says this is the living room. Now let's have number 6, 7, and 8.
It's here.
Okay, please read number 6. The TV is on.
The TV is on the desk.
Very
There
good.
is a dog clock in the living room. My brother is in the bathroom.
Okay, so you got. Okay, for the part 3, honey. Oh, wait. For the part 2, you've got 3/3. 3/3. Part 3, you also got 3/3. Perfect score. Okay, next, let's have the writing. This will be the last one. The last part, honey, okay? So let's have the part 1 first. You order the letters. Okay. 2. Where?
Here.
Press enter,
Here.
honey. Press enter. I can't see it.
Mirror.
Press right click. Press right click. Press. Yeah. Yes, that is it. Very good. Okay, so you got 2/2 for the part 1 of the writing test. Okay, perfect. Now let's have the part 2. Example, what's in the table? A TV and a bed. Let's have number 2. What's in the living room? Very good. 4. Very good. Okay, let's
Here.
read, honey. Let's read. 3.
What's in the living room? A table and an armchair. The sofa is next to the cupboard.
Very good. Perfect. Next, let's have part 3. Okay. This is the last part, honey.
It's here.
Press right click. Okay, very good. Honey. Honey, you have to remember that the first word of the sentence should start with a capital letter or a big letter.
Yêu, em phải nhớ rằng chữ cái đầu tiên của câu phải bắt đầu bằng chữ cái viết hoa.
Okay?
Yes.
Remember as well, honey, that the sentence should end with a
Em yêu, hãy nhớ rằng câu đó cũng nên.
should end with a period.
Em yêu, hãy nhớ rằng câu phải kết thúc bằng dấu chấm.
Okay. Very good, honey. Now let's read your answers. Okay. Let us read your answers, honey. Let's start with number 5. What is your answer for number 5, honey? Five. The chair is honey, 5. Please read number 5. The chair is
The
next
chair
to the
is next to the table.
next. 6.
I draw a lamp. There is a desk in the bedroom.
Okay, very good. So you got 3/3 again for this one, honey. Wow.
Yeah.
You've got a lot. You've got a perfect score from all the tests, honey. From the reading for the 3 parts, honey. For the 3 parts for the reading, listening, reading, and writing. Congratulations, Duke. Yes, I am so happy for your performance, honey. Now, my dear, since we still have 4 minutes left, I am going to share to you our new lesson,
A board.
which will be,
The board.
no, we don't have, I can't have the board already, honey, because I don't have any words to let you spell. So let's just have a warm up before, yeah, since we still have almost 3 minutes left. Okay, so this is, okay, we're done already with unit number 3, Duke. So now we're going to have unit
Yes.
unit 4.
Unit 4.
Yes, this is
Friends.
all. Yes. Do you have many friends, Duke?
Yes.
Wow, how many friends do you have?
Is 14 friends.
You say, I have got 14 friends.
I have got 14 friends.
Wow. Okay, now, by the end of this lesson, honey, you will be able to introduce a person and his or her name. So let's have the review number 1, honey. Let's have the review number 1.
A cupboard, a door, a clock, a TV, an armchair, a window, a rug, a sofa, a bed, a table, a mirror, a lamp. In, under, next to, on, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, living room.
Wow. Okay, how about this one?
The sofa is next to the armchair.
How about this?
The lamp is on the cupboard.
Wow.
The sofa is between an armchair and a cupboard.
Okay, how about this?
The clock is on the cupboard.
Very good. Okay, next.
The bed is next to the cupboard.
Okay, very good.
The chair is in front of the table.
Yes, in front of the table. Okay, let's have this one, honey. What's in your living room? Doc, what's in your living room?
Is the flower. Is a sofa.
There is.
Is a toys. Is a cupboard. Cupboard coat. Eat the cupboard coat. Food. Body.
Wow, me. There's a sofa. There's a TV. There's an armchair. There's a clock and a window and a door. Yeah. Okay, how about your bedroom? What's in your bedroom?
I have a 2-bedroom. It's a bed. It's a school bag and a computer.
Okay. Anyway, honey, the time is already over, Doc, so Teacher Shane has to say goodbye now. Thank you so much, honey, for your time. And
goodbye, teacher.
Yeah, see you next time.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.